Welcome back to a new video. So today I'm doing a voiceover because we're gonna play with this palette. This is my brand, LIVI Beauty, and I have created my dream palette. So today I'm gonna show you one tutorial. So we're gonna start off by using the shade Vanilla Latte, which is one of my favorites. I hit pan on every single palette I use on this one, just because I love it so much. So we're gonna set the concealer, set everything in place in the lid, and then we're gonna go in with Cinnamon Toast. This is my favorite crease color ever. I use it on everybody when I'm doing people's makeup, brides. It is such a beautiful transition color and I am obsessed with this. So as you can see, I'm blending it with a big fluffy brush and then I'm going in with a smaller brush and I'm adding more definition in the outer corners. Next, I'm taking Mocha Please just to build up some depth in the outer corners, and I'm also blending this a little bit outwards and into the crease. And as you can see, this is a cooler tone brown, so it definitely gives more definition and more details to the eyes. Now we're playing with my favorite color. This is Salty Caramel, and I'm obsessed with my shimmers. They're so creamy, and I use this on everybody, and it lasts all day, and it is so amazing. I'm going back in with Cinnamon Toast and I'm just going to blend out the shade on my lower lash line. And next up we're taking Espresso, which is more like a deeper, cooler tone brown, just to add that little extra glam to the outer corners. I am taking this a little bit into the crease, but I'm not going way too far or high up. This is just the perfect color to build up some intensity and also add some depth. Now we're going in with Tiramisu. As you can hear from all the names, I created the names from all my favorite desserts, and I'm also going to place this in my outer corners, a little bit onto the lower lash line as well, just to blend those two shades together. We're taking Espresso again, and we are going to place this very close to the lash line. So we're going to create like a wing, but I'm not going to drag it out, and we're going to do that on the lower lash as well. So next up, I'm going to take another shimmer, and this is Maple Syrup, and I'm just going to blend this inwards through the Salty Caramel, just because I love this so much. I went ahead and applied my favorite lashes in the style Tiffany. I'm obsessed with those. I use them every single day. I'm doing glam. And then I topped it up with my favorite lip gloss in the shade Success. And this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.